So today we're gonna do the first day of the reno. First things first, I gotta take out the cushions as well as the table and the booth area. I want all of this bare right here because what we're gonna be doing is putting our own couch here with some storage, well, over there. And then we're gonna be putting a table here with some chairs to make it more homey. I'm also gonna be taking off all of these blinds and little awning covers. And yeah, with what time we have left, we'll see what's next, and then we'll go from there.
That he's never known. Yeah, isn't it amazing how God can take a broken man? Yeah, let him find a fortune, let him ruin it with his own two hands.
They're gonna be, the actual screws are hitting under the little tab covers, so you just pop those off. They come off real fast. Everything's done quickly in these RVs. They don't put like a lot of time and effort because they got to keep it lightweight and move on to the next RV. They make these pretty quick, so it's really easy to tear down. It's gonna take time and then pops right off.
Oh, I am a difference maker. Oh, I am the only one that speaks to him, and I am the friendliest of friends.
So your whole thing, if you see all these little screws, they're just, you gotta take those out of the little framing that they do. Everything's 2x2 framing, so very easy. Just pop all the screws out and then you're good to go. Rip the whole thing out.
Yeah, isn't it amazing how a man can find himself alone? Calling to the darkness for an answer that he's never had.
Hey, bud.
Yeah, isn't it amazing how a God
These come out really easy. And other people are looking to replace their campers' old stuff with the newer furniture that the RVs offer. So you can resell these, guys. For me, I'm giving them to my cousin who actually helped me grab the trailer, so it's the least I can do is give him the newer furniture to put in his older camper.
looks down at his hands and he says, I am the difference maker. Oh, I am the difference maker. Oh, I am the only one that speaks to him, and I am the friendliest of friends of God.
Right, so on these little fold-down couch bed things, you gotta be, it's a little awkward. Put the screws underneath, attach to the hardware, and you can't pull out the last booth because it's connected. And as you see, I'm gonna show you guys how dangerous this is. All they are doing is driving through for this one. They're just driving through. They're not even hitting the stud. They're just driving right through this cheap thing. So someone, if they sat down hard enough, can rip and go right through.
Life is but a vision in a window that we're peeking through. Helpless conversation with a man who says he cares a lot. It's a passive confrontation about who might throw a punch or not. We are all transgressors, we're all sinners, we're all astronauts. So if you're beating death, then raise your hand. But shut up.
Alright guys, so all the table is, the hardest part's done. All the table is these brackets under here. And what we're gonna do to make life easy is to keep the brackets attached to the table. We're just gonna remove it completely from the wall.
Only one that speaks to him, and I am friendliest of friends of God.
Alright guys, these are just Velcro. I just found that out. So all we're gonna do is rip all these out. The blinds off with the little blind cover things, whatever you call those, off. And then really what's all holding it together is these little brackets, and I'll show you kind of that process. First you want to take the blind off. Ready, babe? Let's do it. Let's show. Alright, so when you do the side screws, there's only two towards the middle. And then that whole thing comes off, and that's it. So we're gonna do all the rest of them real quick. A big common thing in these RVs is they put, right when you walk in, usually over the couch area, these cabinets, and so we want it open. So what I'm going to be doing, as you see, it's really nice under here. There's no reason. I was going to do a floating shelf, but it would look good open if you got rid of the hinges and the doors. And then what we'll do for traveling's sake, if we don't want anything to fall out, I'm going to put some hidden hooks back here and then just strap it across so nothing falls. But yeah, going to get rid of those doors. And we'll show you that next.
Somewhere that I like to stay, but you teach me.
Right, and it pops right off. And then get some open storage. That's basically what we're going to be doing around the rest of the rooms real quick, is just popping off the window coverings. I'm going to be taking apart this back bunk bed that you guys saw yesterday. It's the same thing as taking apart this couch. It's only hooked on by a couple bolts.
You are the love that turns out holding weight keeps me steady. If I am a tightrope walker, you are the line that I walk.
It did snow this morning in Texas, so we're all bundled up. But we're so excited for all of this. It's going so good already, and we just cannot wait for the end product.
We took off all this trim paneling that they put up. All it is this really cheap cardboard material that they put on and then just decorate. It pops off really easy. So what I did is I just stripped that off of both slide outs, and now I'm going to be, well, that's our next phase. After we paint, I'm going to add some stained pine going across here to look like beams. This entertainment center, guys, we don't like how black it is. I hate anything that's not open and easy to access. So what I'm going to do is take all the cabinet doors off. The TV might possibly move. We don't know for sure on that one yet, but we'll see what we decide.
Turns out holding the weight keeps me steady. If I am a tightrope walker,
Several hours later, and we are having someone unlock the RV. So this is fun. Hey, we got it open. Finally!
Asshole. Alright guys, so we got locked out until we had a locksmith come and unlock our RV. So anyways, that was a fun adventure already, and now we've moved on to the back of the room. As you see, I've removed all of the trim on both the slide outs that I'll be reframing and making them look like beams. And here, all we're doing is taking the bunk beds out, which all you have is just these few little hinges and it comes right out. Now we're gonna go throw it out.
it's the only way I call you mine. Held within the tension in my mind.
So, I'm gonna be the one to show y'all that we did today. We got a whole lot more than what we thought we would get done, which is awesome. So, gutted this whole area, the dining area, the couch, the trim, the doors for the cabinets are all gone, and all of the curtains are gone. And then we took the doors off of all of these. Didn't do too much back in the bedroom quite yet. And we gutted this whole couch that made into a bed, the frame, and then also this top bunk we took out. then took out the beds, like the mattresses for these. We did all of this in one day's worth of work, which is awesome. We thought we were only gonna get done this part today, so it's going pretty quick. Sorry if the quality just got worse, but I actually forgot our camera today, so we're using my phone for this video. Here is the before. It was so crazy looking back on this when everything is done and renovated. It's gonna be awesome.
You are the love that I carry. Turns that hole in the weight keeps me steady. If I am a tightrope walker, you are the line that I walk upon.
So that's it. Hope this video was found useful to you. And we'll be posting more super soon. Bye guys.